Hey Princess House, Linda Bradley here with Miracle Dish Monday. So today, the easy recipe that I have for you is called Drunken Chicken because we make it with wine and it's really delicious. It's a really easy recipe and I know you might not be able to see it, but up here it says my husband's favorite. He absolutely loves this. What I like about this recipe is not only is it super easy, but you can make it ahead of time and it's great for large crowds. We just had my daughter's rehearsal dinner. We had like 27 people there and I made baked ziti and I made meatballs, but I made a big 5-quart thing of the drunken chicken and everybody wanted to know. So today we're going to use the different miracle dish. So instead of the normal one that you're used to seeing, this is the 9x13. And again, what's really nice about it is it's in the Fantasia pattern. It's oven safe and dishwasher safe and refrigerator safe and microwave safe. But it comes with the plastic lid. So for you busy people, you can go ahead and put your dinner together ahead of time, maybe in the morning. Go ahead and put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator, and then when you get home from work, just pop it in the oven or the microwave and you're ready, all right? This is how easy this recipe is. So you can use either chicken thighs or chicken breasts. It's your decision which you prefer, white meat or dark meat. And so I just have the chicken breasts. You don't even have to put any nonstick spray at the bottom of these pans because they already have a little bit of a nonstick surface. So I'm just gonna put the chicken at the bottom. This is how easy this recipe is. And then we're just going to season it. So my seasoning is basically, ready? Salt, pepper, garlic. Now normally I would want minced garlic. I like that much better. But apparently I don't have any. So you gotta make do. So I just have some garlic powder. So we're just gonna season it up really nice. And then we're gonna use onions. Now, we use Vidalia onions because they're really nice and sweet. And I'm gonna show you the best way to cut them, and that's with our mandolin. Have you seen this piece? It has been the most requested item. It came out 2 years ago and it's been a top seller ever since. It's really cool because it comes with a little cheat sheet and it shows you all the different kinds. You can make ribbons, matchstick, French fries, chips, spaghetti, or slices. But the thing is, to change the bleed, because it tells you what you have to do, you use it just by touching the sides. You never touch the bleed. And then there's also a protector for your hand. So it has these little tines in here. You're just gonna stick it on your onion and watch how this works. There's a little handle back here to hold it, and you're just gonna slice your onions or whatever you use down. And the nice thing about it, I know I'm making a lot of noise, is they come in perfect uniform slices. And what's really important about that is when you're cooking a recipe, if you have bigger slices and smaller slices, they're not all going to cook the same. And so what ends up happening is the smaller ones are too well done and the larger ones aren't done enough. So this is super because it's all uniform. And then this is it, and no crying with your onions. So you're just gonna put your onions right over top of it. First of all, it smells so good. Onions and garlic, like what could go wrong with that? And then we get to add the wine. But hang on, just one more onion. Yeah, I know there's a lot. Use the Vidalias because they're really sweet. I do that the right way. And, I think I put it in. We gotta do it. So, all right, mandolin, here we go. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some wine, and it's your decision. You can do red wine, you can do white wine, whichever you prefer. Try it once with one and then once with another. Now you can put this in the oven. I haven't tried it in the microwave yet, and I'm not gonna start today. I think what I like about the oven is it has all the juices just all congregate together. So I'm using white wine. I'm not even a wine drinker, but this recipe is to die for. So you're just gonna pour some, and then I have some chicken broth that I'm gonna put on top of that as well. Now this will go in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And obviously that's gonna depend on how thick your chicken is and how much you have in here. And you're going to see that it's so good. So I'll come back on and show you a picture of the finished product, but this is it. Now again, for you busy people, just go ahead and put the plastic lid on it, right? Put it in your refrigerator in the morning before work. let it just sit and get all those wonderful juices in it. And then when you come home from work, just pop it in the oven, all right? Like easy peasy. If you're watching me on Facebook, give me a like. Let me know that you like the recipes. I'll post the recipe in the comments as well. But Facebook, you know, these days, they decide who gets to see your post and who doesn't. So every time you do like the post, it does help. So thank you very much. If you're watching me on YouTube, definitely tell me if you like it and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And then you'll always get the notifications to know when I'm online. You can always reach me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'm able to help you. We have no territorial restrictions. In fact, let's play a little game today called Where in the World is Linda Bradley? Or Princess House. So if you'll just comment underneath and tell me where you live, tell me what state you're in. Let's see if we can hit all 50. That'd be fun. So today's recipe is Drunken Chicken. This is from my friend Joanne, who helped me with it. She's a great cook, so I love stealing recipes from her. So stop back a little bit later on and I'll show you the finished product. What's for dinner tonight? Miracle Dish Monday. Thanks for joining.